Start doing the front end on this thing today. Got to do the fork seals, brake pads, maybe steering head bearings, at least trying to adjust the steering head bearings, and a few other things. This is 84 BMW R80Rt. Front end clunk's pretty damn bad, and fork seals been pouring since I got it. So I'll be doing those. I'll probably go ahead and try to rebalance the front, or at least check the balance on the front tire while I got it out, and we'll go from there. Got to clean it up first, and may or may not paint the lower legs here. Depends on what they look like once I get all the oil and grime off of them. Then we'll see. All right. Thing jacked up. Start doing the front end here. All right, let's feel this front end now. Just going to get the front wheel off the ground a little bit. See how much that's moving? I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me bring this camera down here. I mean, you can hear it moving back and forth. See if you can see it. Just grab a hold of the front end. Yeah, I think we might be doing bearings too. Feel a little rough in there. So when we get down to the bearings, I'll do that in a separate video there, because I'm probably going to have to pull I'll try and adjust them first. Might pull them off and grease them. But I think on this one first, I'm just going to focus on doing the forks first, fork seals and fork oil. And then before I put the front end back in there, before I put the forks back in, I'll do the steering head bearings. So we'll see. All right, let's get this front end apart. Get the wheel and the fender and the brakes off of there. We're going to take off the fork brace here. Good idea on these fork braces. Kind of helps stiffen up the front end there. This is an old Telefix unit. They've been making these things forever. Loosen both those sides up. And then in the back here, there's two bolts where you can slide them out because they're adjustable. They'll move a little bit. That axle nut takes a 22 millimeter wrench. or a 7/8. Okay, pull the brake calipers off of there. Now you have no drag on there. It's a good time to kind of feel your wheel bearings. If you just spin them, of course you're gonna sideways check them for play, but it should move nice and easy like that. Like it has no resistance whatsoever. Alright. You're going to want to use a roller mallet to tap the axle out, or a soft mallet. You don't want to bung the threads up on this side over here. A lot of times what I'll do, if you don't have a soft mallet, just leave the knot on there, couple 3-4 threads on, and give it a tap. Okay. Mark your axle spacers, at least lay them out so you know which one goes where. This is the left one. And that one stays in the wheel, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to slide the spacer back on the wheel with the axle, the nut and the washer. Grab my drain pan over here so I can clean the forks off and drain the oil out on them. Put that right there. And before I even take the forks off, I'm going to go ahead and spray them down. I'm just using lacquer thinner in here because it's actually cheaper than buying brake clean to do it like this when you're cleaning stuff off. Just need to be careful what you're spraying.